Welcome back to Grow with Casey. In this video, I'll show you how to add a total row to an Excel table. The total row automatically calculates totals, averages, counts, and more at the bottom of your data. This saves time and helps you quickly analyze your information without writing formulas. Let's get started. First, we want to ensure our data is converted to a table. In a previous video, we learned how to convert a list to a table. You can find the link in the description below for Excel shortcut keys, which includes how to convert a list to a table. Next, click on any cell within your data set. Press Ctrl+T to convert your list to a table. Next, go to the top menu where you see Excel's tabs. Look for a tab called Table Design, or just Design for some versions, and click on it. If you don't see the Table Design tab, just click back inside your table and it will appear automatically. Now we'll activate the total row. Under Table Design, you'll see a section called Table Style Options. In this section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Total Row. Click the checkbox to turn it on. Once you check Total Row, Excel automatically adds a new row at the bottom of your table. Now we'll choose what we want Excel to calculate. Click on the cell that contains the total. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the cell. Click the drop-down arrow. You will see options like Average, Count, Count Numbers, Max, and others. Let's select Average. Excel automatically calculates the average for that column. An important tip to remember is that if you add new rows to the table, the total row will automatically recalculate. You won't need to adjust formulas manually. Let's add a new row under the rent category. I'll enter a new ID and category and an amount. As you see, Excel automatically recalculates the average of the column. The total row is a simple but powerful feature that helps you quickly summarize your data without using formulas. And that's the end of today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.